Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gamers Tech. In this video, we will be learning how to invite friends on Monopoly Go. To invite friends to Monopoly Go, first of all, launch open the Monopoly Go application and log in. Now from the home page, go to the Friends section at the bottom right hand corner and tap on it. Now, go ahead and look for the Invite option at the bottom right corner and tap on it. You will then be able to invite your friends with the invitation link or via Facebook invite. To invite your friends via Facebook, tap on the Facebook invite button in blue. It'll then take you to your Facebook Messenger contact list. Your invitation link will be displayed at the top, and all you need to do now is to select a friend you want to invite to Monopoly Go. Choose a friend you want to invite and tap the send button right next to them. Right after you do that, you will be able to send in Monopoly Go invitation to one of your Facebook friends. You can also go ahead and directly share your invitation link. Simply tap on the orange invite button to do so, and then you can simply select a contact from your device or choose a social messaging app or email app and select a contact you want to invite to Monopoly Go. You can easily invite via email or SMS. Choose the method that you'd like, and after selecting your friend, your invitation code will be typed in automatically. Now click the send button at the top right corner to invite the friend with your invitation link on Monopoly Go. After inviting your friends, they will be able to join in with you on your game. You can then play together on Monopoly Go. So that's how you easily invite friends on Monopoly Go. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.